Okay, so 11.2, you see exercise number problem number 1. Okay, construct a triangle ABC in which BC is 7 centimeter, angle B is 75 degree and AB plus AC is 13 centimeter. As I told you that base is given and base angle is given, only one angle, and sum of other two side is given. Then this is the first case now. So how to draw the triangle? You see, base is given, so you take a line segment of length 7 centimeter. Okay, suppose this BC is 7 centimeter. Okay, 7 centimeter. By scale you can take. Okay, after this at B is 75 degree given. Now you see B is 75 degree, no. So by protector you can draw one angle 75 degree at B. So 75 degree, no. So suppose like this angle is 75 degree. Okay. Say this angle is 75 degree. Okay. But this is the line. Okay, ray. Suppose BX is the ray. Now after this you see what is given, sum of other two sides, that means AB plus AC. Now you see BC is 7 centimeter. Now sum of other two sides is 13 centimeter. So 13 centimeter, what you have to do? On this line ray BX, you have to take one point, say D, in such a way that the distance from B is to that point is 13 centimeter. So I am taking, suppose here this point is D. So BD is 13 centimeter. Got it? Okay. After this what you have to do? Join this B and C. You have joined. Okay. And next work, draw the perpendicular bisector of CD. So how to draw the perpendicular bisector? By using compass. Put here your compass and take more than half length. Draw this side one arc and that side. With the same measure, put here compass, cut this. Like that way you can draw. So if you draw the perpendicular bisector, so perpendicular bisector, no, perpendicular, so it will be like this. So say this one is the perpendicular bisector. Okay. This line is the, say, perpendicular bisector. Okay. That means you draw the perpendicular bisector. Fine. Okay. Suppose this one is the perpendicular bisector of CD. Now you have got one point here. So this point is your A point. A. Join A, C. So this is your A, B, C is the required triangle, in which BC is 7 centimeter. This angle is 75 degree. A point is here, and sum of this one plus this one is 13 centimeter. Okay. So this way you have to draw. Now you see, drawing work you have drawn, but after this step of construction is very important. No. So which work you have done first, you have to write a stepwise. No. First you have taken this line segment BC. So you write here in step 1, a line segment BC is drawn of length 7 centimeter. Okay. At B, a angle 75 degrees is drawn. Okay. After this what? On this ray BX, we have taken this D point. No. So a point D, or mark a point D on BX such that BD equal to 13 centimeter. Join DC. Then draw the perpendicular bisector of CD, which intersect this BD at A. Join AC. We have got this ABC as the required triangle. So this work, just you use your own language. Okay. So hope you understood that one. Okay. So next one is difference one. Okay, so difference one, you see that construct a triangle ABC in which BC is 8 centimeter, B angle is 45 degree, and AB minus AC is 3.5 centimeter. Okay, number 2 number, you see BC is given. So again I am drawing this base as BC is, this time is 8 centimeter. Okay, at B 45 degree angle. Now you see, if you want to use the compass, then you do. Otherwise it is a construction problem, then you can use your protractor, because our main aim is to draw the triangle, not the angle. No, so then you use the protractor. Okay, so if we use the protractor, then this angle is 45 degree, again BX 45 degree. And after this, you see the difference between other two sides is given. Now I am telling you one important thing, that A point we will get here now. Now if AB greater than AC, then one case, if AB less than AC. These are the two cases, this one and this one. Now you see AB minus AC if given, AB minus AC, then you take D point on this side. If AB less than AC, that means AC minus AB given, then you have to extend this ray that side also and take D point and that side. So for the difference case, this two you should remember. In our problem, AB minus AC given, so from here, that means this case is given, so we will take D point on that side. No need to extend this side. Okay, so AB minus AC 3.5, same thing, AB minus AC, suppose here 3.5, so D point, this BD is 3.5. Now again the same process, join this BC, draw the perpendicular bisector of this, suppose draw the perpendicular bisector of this CD. If you draw, so suppose this one is your perpendicular bisector, so A point here you will get, so this is your A, this one is your ABC is the required triangle, B is 45 degree. Okay, so I think you got the point how to draw. First base, then angle, then you have to take one point. For the difference case, either D point is here or D point on that side. Okay, then join CD, draw the perpendicular bisector CD, it will intersect, then join it. Finish. Okay, so these are the two cases, and you can write the step of construction. Don't think like this way, step of construction you should write. Okay, so next, last one important one I'm going to solve. 4 number. 4 number, you see, construct a triangle XYZ. XYZ we have to draw. XYZ, no. So where base angle is given and perimeter is given 11 centimeter. So I am telling you one thing, you are going to draw the triangle XYZ now. So first we have to take the base. Base is what? I am taking this base is 11 centimeter. Okay, this base is 11 centimeter. 11 centimeter. Okay. After this, you see, we are going to draw the triangle XYZ. So don't put the name here X and here Y. Any alphabet you can put here except this XYZ. So I am giving here AB name, no problem, A and B. Okay. Now, what angle is given? At Y is 30 degree, Z is 90 degree. Now you see, at A or at B, you can draw here 30, here 90, or here 90, here 30, no problem. So I am drawing here 30 degree. So 30 degree by protractor you can draw, or by using compass you can draw. So suppose this one is 30 degree angle. Okay, sorry, not X, this is the ray only. Okay, and here one 90 degree. So 90 degree, 90 degree I have drawn. Draw 90 degree. So this two ray will intersect this one, no? So this point you give the name X. This is the name is X. Okay. After this you see sorry, not this point is sorry, not this is X. Okay. So this two intersect here, no problem. Okay. Now after this, bisector of this A angle, bisector of B angle you draw. So bisector you can draw by using compass. Okay. So suppose this one is the bisector and this one is the bisector. These two bisector intersect at this point. This one is your X, not that one. Okay. After this AX, draw the perpendicular bisector of X, draw the perpendicular bisector of BX. So perpendicular bisector if I draw, so this one, and if we draw this one, so suppose this one is the perpendicular bisector. These are the perpendicular bisector of AX and BX. This, so this we have got 2 point now. This is 11 centimeter. This one you put Y, this one you put Z. So join X, Y and X, Z. So Z angle is 90, BS that is 90. So this is your required value. Okay. So hope you understood that one. So again I am telling you that first we are going to draw this XYZ as triangle. So you don't put this and this as XYZ. Any alphabet you can put. I have given here AB. Then at A at B given angle you can draw. Okay. You draw it. Maybe intersect, may not be intersect, does not matter. Okay. It will go. After this, perpendicular, that means bisector of A angle and B angle if you draw, they will intersect. It is 100% sure. And this name is X. Okay. And then perpendicular bisector of AX, perpendicular bisector of BX if you draw, these two line intersect AB at Y and Z. So this is our required triangle, and this case is very important for your exam. Okay. So step of construction you can write easily. Okay. So thanks for watching, and other 1 or 2 problem I have given to you. Okay. Try to solve it. So thanks for watching.